In today's tutorial, I will show you how to export all images at once from Excel with Save As function. If there are lots of pictures in your workbook which you want to save into a specific folder at once, normally you can copy one picture and paste it to Paint and then save it. But this is time consuming for repeated copying and pasting. To extract all images from the workbook, you can save the workbook as a web page, and all the pictures including charts, shapes and other objects will be saved into a folder as well. In your workbook which contains the pictures that you want to save, click the File tab, click Save As, click the Browse button, and in the Save As window specify a folder to put the exported file, and then click the Save As Type drop-down list to choose the web page, and click the Save button. In the popping up Microsoft Excel dialog, click the Yes button. The saving process will take some time, and you can see the progress in here. After the saving process is completed, go to the specified folder. uh, you will see there are two files. One is HTML format file, and another is a folder which contains the pictures, charts or other objects from the workbook. Then you can drag only the image to the other folder as you need. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.